Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make some red onion bourbon jam, and I'll be using Amoretti's bourbon whiskey compound. Let's get started. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is to saute some red onions. I just want these to get soft, so I'm not going to brown them. I'm going to turn this down and let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so these onions have been cooking for a little more than 5 minutes. They're still nice and soft, not brown, but I'm going to go ahead and add some wine, some cooking sherry, and some sugar. And this is going to cook down for about 30 minutes. I want it to get nice and thick, so we'll let it cook until it reduces. And then once that's done, I'll take it off the heat and add the compound. Just let this cook for a little while until it gets thick. All right, so this has cooked down. It is very thick, nice and dark, and I'm going to add the bourbon whiskey extract, actually the compound, excuse me, and that smells great. Mix this in. Now I would let this cool before you put it in a jar. Now that the jam is cooled, I have put it into a jar, and this is a great application for this product. You can put it on any kind of a cheese. Here I have it on some cream cheese, but you could use brie or any kind of blue cheese. You could also use it on a vegetable sandwich or a grilled chicken breast sandwich, steak, anything like that. The bourbon whiskey compound is a wonderful product, and it gives a great flavor to this jam. So I suggest you try it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. You can reach out to us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook at Amoretti. See you next time.